Lesson 2.3, Set Notations. So, set notations, kung paano natin in-express yung mga set. Okay? So, meron tayong roster notation, interval notation, tsaka set builder notation. Si roster notation, medyo familiar na tayo dito. Ito yung nililista niya yung lahat ng elements ng set. Okay? So, yun yung mga ginamit natin from the previous lessons. Okay? So, interval notation, ginagamit niya yung kung parang from tsaka to. Okay? Kung saan nagsisimula yung set mo hanggang dulo. So, dito, gumagamit tayo ng brackets. Kung yung simulang number ba tsaka dulong number ay kasali, parenthesis kung hindi sila kasali. Okay? So, ano ba yung examples ng interval notation? So, kunyari, ganito, 4 tsaka 5. Notice, pareho silang may bracket. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kasali si 4 tsaka si 5. Tsaka yung mga decimals na nasa gitna nila. Okay? So, pwede natin sila express as decimals, pwede rin na fractions. So, ibig sabihin, kasali dyan sila 4.1, 4.5, 4.9, tas 4.232, 398. So, everything na between sa 4 at 5. Okay? So, next example, notice naka-parenthesis si 5. Ibig sabihin, hindi kasali si 5 dito. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, pwede tayo umabot ng 4.999. Kahit gaano karaming 9 yung ilagay natin dito, basta hindi tayo abot kay 5. Okay? So, same goes for 4, 5, tapos naka-bracket si 5, si 4 naka-parenthesis. Si 4 naman ang di kasali dito. Okay? So, 4 and 5, hindi nakasali si 4 tsaka 5. Okay. So, next example of interval notation with infinity. Dito naman, si infinity, naka-parenthesis siya lagi. Kasi in real life, di natin alam yung actual value ng infinity. Okay, so when it comes to math, di talaga natin na-approach si infinity. Okay. So, set builder notation. Si set builder notation, gumagamit tayo ng ganitong itsura. So, descriptive siya. Katulad niyan, dito, yung ganito. Ibig sabihin yan, x such that x is less than or equal to 5. Sa vertical bar, yung basa ay such that. Okay? So, dito, x such that x is an element of integers greater or equal to 5. Okay? So, familiar naman tayo dito sa z as, yun nga, element or integers. Okay? So, samples, x such that x is less than or equal to 5. Kanina. So, ayan. Ganyan lang sila sinusulat. Okay. So, try natin siya i-convert between yung mga yung ways of writing sets natin. Okay? So, simula tayo dito. So, roster. Ayan. For interval notations, hindi siya pwedeng gawin. So, most of the time, si roster tsaka interval, hindi natin sila makakonvert sa isa't isa. Bakit? Kasi si roster, mostly ginagamit siya for finite sets, interval for infinite sets. Okay? Set builder, ayan. X such that x is an element of integers, and x is greater than or equal to 11, but less than or equal to 17. So, pag tinignan naman natin, tama yung description na yan. Okay? Next, again, hindi siya na magagawa. Set builder, x such that x is an element of c or integers, x is greater than or equal to 5. So again, interval to roster, hindi natin siya nagagawa. Set builder, pwede siya. X such that x is greater than 4, but less than or equal to 5. So, hindi pwede for infinity. For set builder, ito naman yung definition ng real numbers from negative infinity to infinity. Okay, so next, x such that x is greater than or equal to 10, hindi natin siya masulat in roster. Pero for interval, 10 to infinity. Okay, so bracket on 10, parenthesis on infinity. Okay, so yun lang naman for this lesson. Sa mga susunod na lesson, ang gagawin naman natin ay yung operations ng mga sets. Okay? Pati, syempre, yung mga susunod pa, Venn diagrams. So, thank you for listening. Sana may natutunan kayo.